ng top view of Catbalogan. Ano, nindot? Oh, hilltop. Ano nga rin? Oh, hilltop. Nice view. So, nice view here. We're in the hilltop. This is a new tourist destination. So, good for camping. And sunset and sunrise. Nice view here. Overlooking at Balogan. We're camping now here in Hilltop, Catbalogan. So this is our first camping with Liveprint TV, Agla, and Summer Traveler. Yeah, the Agla. Yeah. So they've already tent Liveprint TV tent. Yeah, their tent also there. So later we're gonna set up our tent also.
Kita bisa nagbabagyo.
Yeah. Okay. Our tent there. Nice relaxing hill view, Catbalogan. So very nice view here. Hilltop. So this is an hilltop, not hill view. So this is a new tourist spot in Catbalogan. So we're the first to do camping here on the top of the hill. It's very nice view there. See the view. Yeah. So there's already a new tourist destination for camping in Catbalogan City. Before we discover a hill somewhere there in Socorro, call that one Junis Peak. But now we discovered another nice view in this area, somewhere in Pisiperanda and Hillview. Hilltop. So if you will come to visit there, so this is open for everybody and there's no entrance fee as of now. Make sure that when you visit this place you need to bring back your garbage, because when we come here we do some cleanup drive together with Summer Traveler, Liveprint TV, and Agla, and Braille also come here to clean up drive, because there's a lot of garbage here, because there's many local now coming here during the afternoon, in the evening, early morning, because there's a nice view here, the sunset and the sunrise. So the future, so this is will be more tourists will visit here, local tourists or foreign tourists. So this is will be listed as one of the tourist destinations. So if you like hiking, camping, relaxing, just visit here. Hilltop, very windy dual aircon. So a few minutes we're gonna sleep there night. So Trax is already sleeping. So with Mommy Ryan also is here. So we have a family camping. Mommy Ryan and Trax. So later we're gonna sleep now. Nice place here. Nice view. So tomorrow we're gonna wake up for sunrise. And we go down maybe 6 o'clock in the morning because my wife is still go to work at 8 o'clock. So we need to go down at 6 o'clock in the morning and prepare and eat our breakfast in the market. So a few minutes we're gonna sleep. So just sightseeing now. Nice view. So nice overlooking Catbalogan City all the way to Makeda Bay. Very nice. Ano, luto na niya kuan? Oo, yummy. So cooking for dinner. Yummy na. Yeah.
Ano man, sa ano kang malusad yan na? Ano yan? Palit mo kuan. Beauty.
Maray na.
Maray na siguro.
Nice
May
view.
duha kanina. Murag kuan lang. Nag-alanganin mag-camping pero mukan ko na sila mga alas 4. Agaw.
Where we do the clean up drive.
Morning. Good morning. Very cold. Nice view there. Catbalogan.
Iton, umbaga mga pamilya man lang nag kuan dida dugay.
Pamilya la. Oh, good morning na, Kuya Nold. Oh. Painaga. We're leaving na. Thanks for the camping experience. In Catbalogan. And clean up drive. Now, very beautiful. There. Sunrise. Sun going out now.
Kung kanina nag-drone ka nga, na-account pala nga antin.
Very beautiful. Tanaw.
Hindi par may kuan par. Para sa nga nag-camping ka mo. Hindi may tent.
Bye-bye to our vlogger friend. Enjoy. Tana.